Hi, my name is John and I am glad to be back here with you again. Yesterday, we leveled up our flashcard to level 2, and now it's time to take on the next challenge. Spoiler alert, because of the number of words on the back of the flashcard, level 2 is pretty similar to level 1. But don't let that fool you. It's all part of reinforcing your memory. Let's dive in. Open the vocabulary deck. Read the term. Define laconic. Do you still remember the definition? Here's a fun challenge. Comment the entire definition below. Let's see who's been active this week. Okay, time's up. The definition is using very few words. The first 2 words are already done for us, so now we'll handle the rest. Press the button U for using. Then press V for vary. Now, between I and F, press the button with F. Finally, between P and W, press the button with W. And just like that, we've earned the badge for level 3. Congratulations. I can't wait to tackle that tomorrow with you. One more thing before we go. Head back to the home screen and notice something new. A button called Practice has appeared. This shows up whenever a deck has no due flashcards left for the rest of the day. If you're feeling ambitious, you can redo some cards for extra practice. Let's check it out. This will give us a little taste of level 3, but don't worry, your progress won't be recorded. It's just for fun and reinforcement. For the first word, press U for using. Then, between I and V, press V for vary. Next, between O and F, press F for few. And finally, between W and Z, press W for words. That's all for today. Until next time, stay sharp and keep up the great work. Oh, and before you go, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. See you tomorrow.